Alright, y'all. I just ran my novice E-Buggy, came in second for the second qual as well. I'll be posting all these videos. Yeah, man, I had first, and again in the very last lap, I had an incident. You'll see it in the video over there, and I'll be alright. I think I got the main. As long as I start up front, get some open space, I can run clean. We got Rock second qual though. He broke in the first one. Just got a pass right there. This track is so much fun though. I like it. It's a little hot out here too. Seems hole shots are working really well for me. I'm gonna see. I think the rest of the team switched as well. So double crash there. They good. Uh-oh, that one's stuck. Oh, roasted. Oh. Rock. Man, short. I'm also marshalling though, so I gotta watch out for cars. Twigs, bruh. I gotta get this win today though. I gotta validate myself a little bit. It's only novice, but what a jump. That's Brandon. Oh. These guys beat the shit out of these cars, bro. That boy was punching it everywhere. Whew. This guy's doing somersaults and shit. Damn Mugans, man. Goddamn animals on the track. Reminds me of Tony's. Should have never got rid of that fucking thing. Oh, what a flip. Oh, Lord, look at this shit. He's tearing ass. Oh, that's what happens when you do it a little too much. This paint job's dope. Insane.